Hello. So I've created this video as a summary of the work I've done in the past year. Most of it is thanks to Randy and to this group. So I give you here an example of an app I did. This app is for Security Operations Center. I did for work. And it's an Excel app that is working side by side with an actual app on the phone. So basically, I have here a log for logging events in a security operations center. Some of it is plain Excel formulas, and some of it is VBA. So basically, for example, here, after I've selected something, it's a branch, for instance. So the time and date is formulas, actually, as you can see. Drop downs for the name of the site. I'll just write a name here in English. Now categories, class 1 and subclass 1. And then indirect function for that, just write something here. And we can add other more details here if necessary. Now, if I want to assign this information to a manager on his mobile app, I have to assign here, mark it as assigned, and then I'm sending the information to the app. Now the app uses Google Sheets. So the Google Sheets, this is the Google Sheet I have. Right now it's empty. I'm going to send the data to Google Sheets. Once I've sent the data to Google Sheets, the data is here, has arrived here, as you can see. And from that, I'm going to sync the mobile app. This is representative of the mobile app, and here we have the event. Now, once the manager goes inside the event itself, he can see the data in the event, and now he's going to close the event just to signify that he has done something and the event is over. So he's closing the event is now closed. The data is instantly reflected by the in the app once it's synced. Now it's true. Now the data is now going to be transferred back into the Excel sheet. Okay. As you can see, check is true, and in a few seconds it's going to reflect back to this app here. Now, once sync is completed, basically I have a sync that is generated every few minutes. So just for the sake of this video, I'll refresh it, and that should work, and it does work. So this is true now. Now, once this is checked and once this is true, these two conditions, what I can do, and the event is actually completed, I don't need it anymore visually, I can archive it. So by standing on the line, I'm archiving it, and now the event is no longer here, and it has gone to the archive, and as you can see, it is now in the archive. In the archive, I can obviously filter data that for previous earlier events. Now, as for the code itself, well, the code itself is here. Some of it. I also have, based on Randy's video sent to Google Sheets, I have this code here. I've obviously added more data here. So to be transferred to Google Sheets, quite a lot of it. And that's it. I hope I was clear to show you what I've done. Again, thank you all for this, and for Randy, of course, for giving me the inspiration to create things like that. And I'm still going. Thank you.